Hello, my dear students. Hello, everyone. Yes, Ankita. Good afternoon, Beta. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Sanjay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. कमरे से बोलें. ऑनलाइन क्लास ले रहे हैं गूगल. हाँ? No, no. Next class begin. हाँ. हम्म. Approximately 800 to 900. Yes, yes, yes. वही सेम प्राइस सेम प्राइस. हाँ. तो इसको बनारसी बनारस ले लीजिए. बनारस मेरा ये है कि बनारस मान लीजिए वहाँ बता रहा होगा तो हो सकता है मैं फिर दाम रेगुलराइज किए हूँ क्योंकि ये दाम हम बता रहे हैं कम से कम 300. हाँ इसी यही सब चीज़ों से 100-200 रुपया का अंतर है. हाँ 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 तो बात कर लीजिए. ठीक है ठीक चलिए बाकी शाम को बात करते हैं. Good afternoon, everyone. Yes, good afternoon. Yes, Shashwat, I know you are from 10th Heaven. I know. I had, I has identify you. Okay, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, everyone. First, be connected, everyone. Why you takes too much time to join your class? You should wait. Means you should already join. Wait for me. I should wait for you. I'm unable to understand that I should wait for you or you should wait for me. Okay, Sachin. Sachin, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Also call others. Say them to join here. Hurry up. Okay, Aman Kumar Rockstar. Okay, from 10th B. Okay, sir. I call. I call. Why you call? बेटा वो भी दिखेगा. Don't worry. This will be also visible to you. Don't worry. Arpita complete 10th heaven, yes. Okay, you are from 10th Sanjay. Good afternoon, Sanjay. Okay. Yes. Then I'm going to start your class now. Without lapsing time, I'm going to begin your class. Okay, students. Then in previous class, we have discussed about the holozoic nutrition and unicellular. Yes. Today we will discuss about the holozoic nutrition in a multicellular organ, that is complex animal on this earth. Okay, complex animal, that is human. Then today we will discuss about holozoic nutrition in human. Nutrition in human. Okay. So first you should know the nutrition in human is also holozoic. It is holozoic nutrition. Yes. Nutrition in human is holozoic, means they engulf their food. They engulf their food come. Okay. So in this way, yes, everyone. Good afternoon. Now join your class, beta. Okay. Yes. Now just focus on study. Means be concentrated. Don't means just see the comment or this thing. This will disturb you. Okay, if you will be engaged to see the comment or to read the comment, then this will disturb to you from your concept. Yes, that's why leave it. Just only focus on me. Just try to only focus on me. Don't listen any other kind of sound that is surrounding. Okay, just only focus on. Yes. Now we are going to discuss about which. Yes, nutrition in human. Nutrition in human. Yes, the nutrition in human is holozoic, means they also engulf their food. Okay, they also engulf the food. Okay, so now we will see how this animal means human gets the nutrient and nutrient from the food which is engulfed by it. Yes, which is eaten by it. So first you should know nutrition in human is holozoic. Okay, and because human is a multicellular organism. Human is a multicellular organism. Okay, multicellular organism. That's why, and as you know, there are about means so many cells present in our body, and this means to supply the different kind of nutrient to each cell is very difficult. That's why there is a very big complex distribution circulation system is found in our body. Okay, so now we will here discuss how this nutrient is supplied to this circulatory system. Yes, so how we obtain nutrient from our surroundings, and after that it is supplied to each cell. Yes, so we will discuss all these things. Yes, so now I'm going to begin it. So first you should know, because as you know, human is a multicellular organism and their body design is too much complex, and to supply nutrient to each part of body, it is very necessary that a suitable channel should be in their body. Okay, and there is this kind of a proper channel found in a human's body which helps to nourish each and every kind of cell. Yes, so now in for this there is a specific system is found in our body which is termed as digestive system. Okay, so perform holistic nutrition in human, it have digestive system. Yes. So digestive system is consist of several organs and glands. Digestive system is consist of several organ and glands. Okay. So now, and that's why this digestive system is defined as the digestive system is a group of organ and associated digestive gland. Okay, group of organ and associated digestive gland that takes part in ingestion, digestion, and means all over the. I have told you five process: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and of that digestion. Yes, so mostly we will just take here the three things. Means the digestive system is the group of organ and several means glands which takes a part in ingestion, digestion, and digestion of food. Okay, so this is the definition of a digestive system. Digestive system is a group of organ and digestive glands which perform ingestion, digestion, and digestion of food. Okay, so all this is the definition of yes, it is a definition of digestive system. Okay, so now we'll discuss what means which kind of organ and this digestive glands are found in digestive system. Okay, so this our digestive system is made up of a canal structure, tubular structure, which is termed as alimentary canal, which is termed as alimentary canal. Okay, alimentary canal is a pipe-like structure present inside our body. It means it begins from our mouth and ends with anus. Okay, so in this way, there is a complete means pipeline found in our body, which is termed as alimentary canal. Okay, this alimentary canal is connected with several organs and glands. Okay, so this complete means alimentary canal with several organ and glands. They form our digestive system. Yes. So now one by one we will discuss what are the different means organ and other digestive gland which are connected with our alimentary canal. Yes, the digestive system form a continuous canal called alimentary canal. This alimentary canal is connected with digestive gland and several organs. Yes. Now this alimentary canal means how many organs or glands are connected to the alimentary canal. In today's class we will discuss about this. Yes, in alimentary canal it is made of mouth, that is buccal cavity, okay, second is esophagus. Between mouth and esophagus there is also one organ termed as pharynx. Okay, that is termed as pharynx. Third is stomach. Fourth is small intestine. Fifth is large intestine. Okay, and sixth, that is anus. Yes, in this way these are the different parts of alimentary canal. Okay, with these alimentary canal it have some salivary gland. Let us also this we should also know in which part of alimentary canal which kind of glands, digestive gland is found are connected. So with buccal cavity it have one gland, it is salivary gland. Which gland is connected with the mouth? That is buccal cavity. It is salivary gland. Okay, salivary gland is connected with buccal cavity. Okay, in esophagus there is no such a specific gland is connected. In stomach, gastric gland is found. gastric gland is found. Okay. Now, after in a small intestine, there are two glands connected with it. One is liver, and another is pancreas. Okay. In large intestine, again there is no any specific gland is here, and in anus also there is no any specific gland is connected from it. Okay, means those glands which are, if there are some there, then it is not too much important. Okay, we have to discuss only about this. That is total power means structure present in our digestive system, which we have to study in class 10th. Yes, clear? Now it is clear for everyone. No, beta. We can't call alimentary canal as esophagus. Esophagus is one part, one organ of alimentary canal. Okay, alimentary canal. This all structure forms alimentary canal. These are the different parts of alimentary canal. Always remember it. Okay, Aditya. Yes. Okay, this alimentary canal is consist of these organs: mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. Okay, with mouth or buccal cavity, there is one gland, that is salivary gland. While in esophagus, there is no specific gland. In stomach, there is also one gland, that is known as a gastric gland. While in small intestine, there is two glands connected. One is liver and another is pancreas. Okay. So first we should know that which kind of gland is found in our digestive system. Okay. You should also know that there are two kinds of gland you have studied in your previous class. In class 8, you have studied about the gland. There are two kinds of gland. One is endocrine gland and another is exocrine gland. Okay, endocrine and exocrine gland. Okay, and another kind of gland which is termed as heterocrine. Yes. So now endocrine gland means what? What do you mean by endocrine gland? Will anyone tell me what do you mean by endocrine gland? Yes, can reply. What is endocrine gland? Those glands which secrete or secrete. Okay, inside the body. Inside the body. No, beta, say it. No. Inside the body, all glands secretes inside the body. Okay, there are two kinds of gland you have studied in previous class. One is endocrine gland and another is exocrine gland. Endocrine and exocrine. Okay, endocrine means ductless glands. Those glands which have their own duct. okay, which have no their own duct, means they do not have their own duct. Okay, that's why their secretion is directly poured in a blood. Okay, they mix the secretion in blood, and through blood, this their secretion is transported to their target site. Okay, while another gland is exocrine, which they have their own duct, and with the help of their own duct, they supply their secretion to their target site. Okay, for example, you have heard about pituitary gland. Pituitary gland have their own duct. Means pituitary gland do not be its gland, and that's why its secretion is mixed with blood, and with blood its secretion is supplied throughout the body. Okay, its secretion is supplied throughout the body. So this kind of a gland is termed as endocrine gland, while another, which is salivary gland, which is found at this position, okay, at this position, it is found at this position at both sides of this, means this, and after that here. Okay, this gland connects with our buccal cavity with the help of two salivary ducts that opens below to our tongue. Okay, below to our tongue. Okay, below to our tongue, it opens at there, and after that it secretes. The secretion means it supply their secretion, that is salivary juice, directly in our buccal cavity with the help of salivary duct. That's why it is an exocrine gland. Okay, one more thing. Yes, yes, Adarsh, very good. Okay, Adarsh, very good. Okay, endocrine gland, the secretion of endocrine gland is termed as hormone, while secretion of exocrine gland is termed as enzymes. Okay, mostly endocrine glands secretes hormone, while exocrine secretes enzymes. Okay, in this way, heterocrine glands are those glands which have property of exo as well as endo both. Okay, for example, pancreas in our body. So some secretion of pancreas is added inside our small intestine. Pancreas just gives some secretion in small intestine, while another hormone, which is named as insulin, which is too much known hormone. Okay, it is a necessity to regulate sugar level in our blood. This insulin is also produced by pancreas, and it is directly mixed with blood. Okay, it is directly mixed with blood, and through blood it is supplied to different part of our body. Okay, so that's why there are three kinds of gland. One is exo, and there is endo. Third is heterogland. Okay, so most of the glands which are connected with our alimentary canal are exocrine gland. Always remember, most of all the glands connected with our alimentary canal are exocrine. They are not endocrine. Okay, there is one gland which is a heterocline. It is pancreas. There is only single gland connected with our alimentary canal, which is a heterocrine. It is pancreas. Rest all others are exocrine. Okay, all others are exocrine. Okay, it's clear. Now with it also, the biggest gland of our body, it also connects with our alimentary canal, and this is nothing. It is the liver. Okay, the liver is the biggest gland of our body, and it connects with our digestive system. All these things are clear for everyone. All these things are clear for everyone or not? Yes. Okay. Now, one by one, we will discuss what is the function of all these glands in brief. Today, we will discuss it in brief, and tomorrow we will discuss on elaborated level. Okay, how they work. Yes. So first, we should know which kind of function takes place inside the mouth. Okay. The mouth is, as you know, there are five processes in digestion, it means nutrition. There are five processes in nutrition. First is ingestion, second is digestion, third is absorption, fourth is assimilation, and fifth is egestion. Okay, so this process of ingestion is performed with the help of buccal cavity or mouth. Okay, mouth and buccal cavity helps in ingestion of food. Okay, with our hand we ingest the food inside our digestive system. अपना खाना हम लेकर के अपने digestive system in this way with the help of mouth we perform. Okay, Akansha, I will explain what is buccal cavity. Wait. Okay, wait. I'm explaining everything. Yes, Sanjay. W means okay. Be careful to write your comment here. Yes, wait. I'm repeating it. Okay. The mouth or buccal cavity is this part of means this part is located in our head region. On this point, this is the mouth, and after that, the cavity present inside our mouth. Inside our mouth, it is termed as buccal cavity. Okay, buccal cavity have some more organs. We should know about this. It have teeth, it have tongue, it have pharynx. Okay, gullet. Okay, so then in buccal cavity, it consists tongue, teeth, and gullet. Yes, and also with it, salivary gland also connect in buccal cavity. Okay, Sanjay, you directly reach to anus. No need to start from means you begins from last. You likes to begin from last, means you do not like to begin from first. Okay, if someone will serve you a thali, then first you will eat chili from it. Okay, after that rice and pulses, then in last vegetable, whatever the vegetable and chapatis has been served to you will take it in last. Yes, Sanjay. Is I'm saying truth. You always begins from last. Yes. Sanjay, I'm waiting for your reply. Okay. Sanjay is not replying now. First understood what is mouth and buccal cavity, then ask about it. I will explain everything, don't worry. Okay, it's mine part, just wait. One by one I will explain everything. Okay. This mouth is it is the site of ingestion. Mouth is site of ingestion for food. Okay, this mouth is built of our lips and buccal cavity. Okay, so this lips and tongue, teeth also means this mouth and buccal cavity also help us to coordinate with someone else. Okay, to speak something. Okay, there is another function of this buccal cavity in mouth to ingest food. Okay, this buccal cavity have some more organ which is connected connected with it, and it helps in nutrition. This is our teeth, tongue, gullet, and after that salivary gland. Okay, salivary gland is connected with it. Okay, so teeth, it helps to cut and chew the food. cut and chew the food. That tongue helps to take the taste of food. Okay, and with it also helps to mix the food with saliva. Okay. Yes, this saliva means salivary gland produces saliva, and this saliva is mixed with food with the help of tongue. Okay, tongue helps in mixing the food with saliva, and teeth helps to cut and chew our food in fine pieces. That's why its digestion will become easy. Okay. In this way, gullet helps to gullet and tongue both means gullet is available in our pharynx region जिसको हलक बोलते हैं. Okay, it helps to means engulf the food. Yes. So now salivary gland is a gland which produces saliva, and this saliva has a special kind of enzyme that is termed as salivary amylase. Okay, salivary amylase, that is also termed as ptyalin. Okay, this ptyalin begins the first step of digestion in our digestive system of carbohydrate. Okay, that's why the digestion first digestion means we can say that. Okay, means we may say that the carbohydrates digestion begins first in our alimentary canal, and it begins from buccal cavity, from our mouth. That's the reason when we take a bite of chapati and after that chew it without means vegetable, they think they should take a means piece of chapati and after chew it for 1 or 2 minutes, then it will give sweet taste. Okay, sweet taste, because as a nutrition plant I have told you that plants synthesize glucose, and this glucose is stored in their seeds or other part of plant body in the form of starch. Okay, so this starch is also stored in wheat grain. Okay, with this starch stored in wheat grain is used by us to make wheat flour, and this wheat flour is used by us to make chapatis. Okay, so now these chapatis when chewed properly inside our body, and when inside our buccal cavity, and when it mixes with our saliva, then it gives sweet taste because of the digestion, breaking down of glucose, starch into maltose. Starch breaks down into maltose, and maltose is sweet in taste. That's why means chewing of chapatis for few minutes gives sweet taste. Okay, that happens in our buccal cavity. Okay, it means the digestion of carbohydrate begins first. Okay, and it begins first in our buccal cavity, and this means all other component of food, that is protein, fat, vitamin, all other things will digest in and further part of our alimentary canal. But in earlier process, this and earlier process carbohydrate undergoes in digestion. That is, its digestion begins in where? Carbohydrates digestion begins where? Answer it. Carbohydrates digestion begins where? Carbohydrates digestion begins where? Answer it. Others, you are not identity here. That's why I told that you are not identity here. You are engaged somewhere else. I understood that you was engaged somewhere else. Yes, Ayush said he's saying in mouth. Okay. Others? And what about others? Now I would like to take your answer. How many of you are attentive here? In buccal cavity. Okay, Jan is saying in buccal cavity. Okay. Only three have answered me. I think you haven't listened my. Okay, Chobe is saying buccal cavity. Okay. Carbohydrates digestion begins in our buccal cavity first time. Okay. The digestion of carbohydrate starts from our buccal cavity with the help of saliva. Okay. In saliva, there is a special kind of enzyme which is termed as tylene or salivary amylase. It helps in digestion of starch. Okay. It breaks down starch into maltose. Okay. Salivary gland, have saliva have salivary amylase, and it breaks down the starch present in our food into maltose and dextrins. Dextrins is another kind of carbohydrate. Okay, this happens where in buccal cavity. Where this happens in buccal cavity. Okay, so in this way, in buccal cavity, digestion of carbohydrate begins first time. Okay, now in this way, another step is another part of our alimentary canal is esophagus, which helps in to transport mixer, which helps to transfer the food from buccal cavity to our stomach. Okay, and one of you have asked me in earlier class that what is peristaltic movement. Okay, the peristaltic movement takes place throughout all these alimentary canal, means all these part of alimentary canal to carry one way, means to carry the food in one way direction. Okay, to carry the food in one way means to stop the flow of food opposite direction. Okay, for example, food taken in mouth, food is taken in mouth, it goes in buccal cavity, from buccal cavity it goes to esophagus, from esophagus it goes to stomach, from stomach it goes to small intestine, from small intestine to large intestine, and from here to anus. Okay, and in this small intestine and large intestine, the digested food are also absorbed, and waste product is further means forward to ahead, that is to means a large intestine, and large intestine rest amount of this thing we will discuss in that. Okay, so now esophagus have a special kind of wave motion. Okay, wave motion which always force the food to move ahead. Okay, this kind of motion present in our alimentary canal is termed as peristaltic movement. It is termed as peristaltic movement. It is clear. Now what is peristaltic movement? It is clear for everyone. Yes. For how many of you have cleared this peristaltic movement? Who has asked me about the peristaltic movement in previous class? Someone of you have asked me about the peristaltic movement. Who asked me about this? Good. I want to ask a question from you. Am I declare the end of your class? As I declare the end of class, why so many students have left the class? Number just falls down suddenly. It become very few. Yes, Ayush, have you any question? Yes. Okay. Now, after the food is carried out by esophagus to stomach. Okay, the peristaltic movement takes place in esophagus and also in other part of alimentary canal. So now, the food which reaches in stomach. First, because it may contain several types of harmful bacteria and these things. That's why it have a gastric gland, and this gastric gland produces acid, hydrochloric acid. Okay, this hydrochloric acid get mixed with stomach, means food present in stomach, and after that the food become acidic. Okay, this means acidic food helps to kill the microbes present in it. Acidified food helps to kill the microbes present in it, and after with it, it also helps to soften the food material. Okay, as you know that acetic acid present, which is termed as vinegar, the different fruits kept inside acetic acid, they become too much soft. It will become too much pulpy. Okay, so all these things and just like it, this acid also helps to. Okay, that's why I'm teaching, because you are here. That's why I'm teaching, beta. Don't worry. Okay. So now, because as I had told that in gastric gland releases hydrochloric acid, which helps in softening the food after that killing the microbes present in it. Okay. After that, now here some it also gives some enzymes like pepsin and these things, the pepsin, trypsin. Okay, that helps in digestion of protein. Okay, it means digestion of protein first time begins from stomach. Okay, carbohydrate digestion begins from a buccal cavity. Protein digestion begins from stomach. Okay, now minerals and vitamins are totally digested and absorbed from stomach. Mineral and proteins are digested at here. Mineral and protein are digested as well as absorbed from stomach. Okay, they do not continue in the next part of alimentary canal. Whatever the amount of this element, this means minerals and vitamin is required to body, it is absorbed from stomach. Okay, now the food containing means carbohydrate, protein, and food fat. It moves means undigested carbohydrate and remaining part of protein are undigested protein, and fat moves ahead for small intestine. Okay, so now in small intestine, it have two glands. One is the liver and another is pancreas. Okay, the liver and pancreas both help in digestion of food, fat, and after that undigested protein and carbohydrate. Yes, so now we'll discuss about this in more detail in tomorrow's class, but I want to just brief. Okay, the after means a maximum part of carbohydrate, fat, protein, all these kind of food are totally digested in small intestine. Okay, so now this small intestine is further divided into three parts, that is ileum, jejunum, and duodenum. Okay, so see all these are means digested in these, and after that they are absorbed here also. Okay, complete digestion and after absorption takes place at here. Only remains remaining amount of unabsorbed food, which is the food digested which is not absorbed here. It is further transferred to large intestine. In large intestine, the means a not absorbed food, which is present in the digested form, that is present in its simplest form, it is absorbed, and after that, rest amount of undigested food waste product is further sent to forehead, or that it collects in the rectum, and after that, when sufficient amount of undigested food collect in rectum, then it is discharged out by the process of digestion through the anus. Okay, through anus, anus helps in digestion. Anus helps in digestion. That means this helps in digestion. After that, these part helps in digestion. These parts helps in digestion. After that, absorption, digestion, absorption, and after this part helps in digestion. Okay, assimilation is performed by the with the help of circulatory system, that is blood. Okay, assimilation is performed by blood, while this anus perform digestion, and after that mouth buccal cavity perform ingestion. Digestion and absorption is performed by stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. I think all these topics are clear to you, and you are able to understand all these things. Yes. Okay. So now I'm going to end your class now. Yes. So from tomorrow, tomorrow I will discuss all these part in elaborate manner. Yes. Okay. Then I'm going to end your class. Good day and goodbye.